Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you are going to join college or you are maybe in the initial years of college. I am right now in my third year of college at Triple IT Delhi. By now, I know a lot about college life. I think I've experienced a lot of things and I have learned a lot. So whatever I have with me, I'm just gonna give it to you. This video is going to be about some advices that your big sister, big brother, or maybe seniors would give you. They're about to start your college journey, which is going to be like really a roller coaster ride. It will be terrifying, scary, but it will be beautiful and lovely. So I'm gonna be talking about a checklist that you need to tick off before joining college: academics, friends, college life, social anxiety, emotional shift, time management, and like a lot of things. So watch this till the end. So whether you're freaking out or counting your days down, take a breath. You are at the right place. Let's break it all down. The real college prep that you need. So let's get this one thing right, that college is not just an academic update कि okay school से अब तुम college में आ गए. I feel like personally for me it was genuinely a life update. Like my life changed. Everything around me changed. I was no more the same person. I was experiencing no more the same things, and it was like a whole new and different world to me, which was kind of overwhelming in the start. And I a lot of times felt like like ऐसे एक इमोशनल और मेंटल शिफ्ट फील होता है. तो कई बार मेरे को ऐसे लगता था कि what I'm gonna do, but you're gonna do it. One thing that I want you all to know is that ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि nothing's gonna change. It is gonna change. You have to be prepared for it, and you have to let go the school version of yourself, because this is a whole new place. You're gonna meet new people. No one knows who you were. तो किसी को नहीं पता how are you in school. So if you want to come up with a different personality, well, not as a personality, but if you want to be different, this is your chance, because nobody really knows you, and you can be yourself and you can be however you want. You're going to get uncomfortable, and that's not something wrong. It is basically a sign that you are growing, and yeah, that is life. मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि now I'm at this place, I'm literally surrounded by people who are like so smart. Yeah, so you're gonna feel that people are so smarter than you, different than you, but you have to let go, and you have to make yourself uncomfortable and talk to people, and you have to lean in. Ask questions, be curious, get to know people. Honestly, you'll have so many different perspectives. There will be days when you'll feel like hey, you are not doing great, because school में हम सब अच्छा ही कर रहे होते थे almost. And for me personally, I was really मैं कभी ऐसा होता ही नहीं था कि मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आते थे या नहीं अच्छा हो रहा था मुझसे स्कूल में. आई वाज लाइक लिटरली टॉपर काइंड ऑफ चाइल्ड. बट कॉलेज में आके इट वाज नॉट द सेम. आई वाज नो मोर अ टॉपर, एंड आई यूज्ड टू एट टाइम्स ब्रेक डाउन, यार क्या हो रहा है ये. बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी सेम. It's like school nahi hai. Also at this point you have to start managing your own time, own life. So you are on your own. कोई तुम्हें उठाने नहीं आएगा, कोई तुम्हें बोलेगा नहीं अब क्लास जाओ, कोई तुम्हें बोलेगा नहीं ये काम को तुम्हारी डेडलाइन है, whatever. Do not take it as a threat. Take it as an opportunity to grow. And I want to tell you that initially starting years में you won't have it figured it out. You will feel ऐसे कि what's happening. But I want to tell you that it is normal and it's okay. College is time for exploring yourself. Make mistakes, correct your mistakes, find people who make you be less lonely, I guess. And I want you to remember that it's not about being perfect, it's about being real. Just be yourself and experience it all. Experience the journey and be excited for the story. Next, we're going to talk about the college essential checklist. We're going to talk about packing, what all stuff you need and what you should have before going to college. Laptop, clothes, notebooks, ये सब तो basics हो गया. We're not going to talk about that. I'm going to tell you some life-changing essentials for me. First one was an extension board. You need it. I'm telling you, you need it. उसको लेके आना। आई हैव लिटरली 2 एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड्स मेरे रूम में, तो स्विचेस नीचे होते हैं एंड तुम्हें वो चाहिए ही होता है, तुम्हारा लैपटॉप, आईपैड, एयरपॉड्स, फ़ोन सबको चार्ज करने के लिए यू नीड मल्टीपल स्विचेस। और भी मैंने तो फालतू की लाइट्स वगैरह भी लगा रखी हैं, तो एक वो देन आई फील लाइक हैविंग अ स्टोरेज बिन और लाइक अ डस्टबिन टाइप ऑफ थिंग अंडर योर बेड और नियर समथिंग इन योर हॉस्टल रूम इज़ necessary. To have a laundry bag in your room that really helps, और cupboard messy वगैरह होने से बहुत ज़्यादा बचाता है. I think budgeting is something that you experience first time. मैंने तो at least first time experience किया था कॉलेज में आके. उससे पहले पैसे आते जाते रहते थे, मम्मा में दे देते थे किसी भी चीज़ के चाहिए हो रहे तो. बट कॉलेज में जाके फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे फील होता था कि यू नो कहाँ कर छड़ना है, कैसे करना है. तो ऐसे बजटिंग ऐप्स भी काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं जिससे यू कैन ट्रैक हाउ मच यू आर स्पेंडिंग और थोड़ा सा उस पर तुम ट्रैक रख सकते हो. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट हैव अ बैकअप फाइल लाइक हार्ड ड्राइव और समथिंग, बिकॉज इन कॉलेज इतना ज़्यादा डेटा लाइक मेरे लैपटॉप को स्टोरेज तो हमेशा ही फुल रहता है, तो आई रियली नीड इट ऑल द टाइम विद मी. सो एक hard drive, I think. Then comfort items, photos, blankets, Polaroids, and posters, whatever makes you feel like home, like that. Food wise, I think you should always have some snacks in your room. तो अपने साथ snacks लेके जाया करो because midnight रात में तो बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है. And lastly, be patient, be flexible, you'll adjust. Next, we're gonna talk about social life and expectations. तो जब मैं कॉलेज आई थी तो मेरा बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप था, ठीक है. ऑनेस्टली हर फर्स्ट ईयर में हर इंसान का बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड ग्रुप होता है, तो मेरा भी था. ओके एंड डेफिनेटली अब उनमें से मेजरली कोई भी मेरा दोस्त नहीं है, बट दैट इज़ व्हाट हैपेंस इन कॉलेज. यू विल टेक टाइम, तुम्हें बहुत टाइम लगेगा एडजस्ट होने में, एंड जो तुम्हें इनिशियली मिले then are going to be they're not going to be the people you're going to end up with. You meet a lot of people in college, you'll have to explore, and you will ultimately, it's like तुम्हें initially थोड़ा effort लेना होगा. You'll have to be in uncomfortable space, you'll have to talk to new people, which is it's okay. I mean everyone is at the same page. सब friendship करना चाह रहे हैं, सब नए दोस्त बनाना चाह रहे हैं, तो initially it's fine. Talk to a lot of people, but you'll have to know it and wait. तुम्हें जानना होगा. Not everyone is going to be your friend, but then focus on making quality friends. Like focus on quality over quantity. Focus on building solid connections. That is gonna help you in longer term. And I want to talk about FOMO here because college में ये बहुत होता है. लोग पार्टी कर रहे होते हैं, कहीं जा रहे होते हैं, कहीं जा रहे होते हैं, and you feel like you're not doing anything. But it's okay. You don't have to feel FOMO. तुम्हें हर जगह जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And it's okay. Like you're doing something else instead of that. तो एक FOMO कॉन्सेप्ट तो मेरे को पता है बहुत लोगों को होता है, मेरे को भी स्टार्टिंग में हो रहा था, but अब I'm happier in my space with my people, and I don't want to go to that party because that person is going to that party. Like I really no longer want to do that. One more thing, you get a lot of peer pressure in college, but you have to make decisions for yourself, and you have to be rigid. If you don't want to be there, if you don't want to go there, so then you don't have to, okay? And which is fine, it's okay. And here's one thing that no one tell you, that loneliness happens to everyone. Oh my god, Barish so weird. जो लोग को देख के तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है वाओ इसकी लाइफ कितनी हैपनिंग है, बेसिकली दे आर फेकिंग इट बेटर, दे आर हाइडिंग इट बेटर, बट ऐसा नहीं है. एवरीबडी सब उसी पेज में है, उस पेज में यू विल बी. सो इट्स ओके टू फील लोनली समटाइम्स. बेसिकली वो तुम्हें तुम्हारी कंपनी एंजॉय करना सिखा देता है. फॉर मी, I am alone, but I do not feel lonely because I enjoy my company. It is that you will miss home and you will miss your school friends, you will miss your old people, and which is okay. Call them, talk to them. I guess it modern movie जैसे लग रहे हैं. Social life in college is very unpredictable. It's awkward, it's funny, it's weird and unforgettable, but it's not perfect, and which is okay. सबके लिए ऐसे हो. And I just want to tell you guys this, that एक चीज़ जो तुम्हें सीख लेनी चाहिए कि ओके एंड डूइंग थिंग्स अलोन. जिम जाना है, कोई नहीं है जाने के लिए, अकेले चले जाओ. खाना खाने जाना है, कोई नहीं है, अकेले चले जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. कॉन्फिडेंस बेसिकली ग्रोज व्हेन यू स्टॉप वेटिंग फॉर अ कंपनी. एंड नॉट एवरीवन इज गोना स्टिक अराउंड, नॉट एवरीवन इज गोना बी देयर. The people who matter, they will stick, and the rest, they are just part of the path. and you will learn something from every person you meet in your journey. That is what I've learned. Next part, we're going to talk about academics and time management. Time management is the one thing that I'm still learning. College academics are really a whole new game, honestly. And वो सब कुछ मैनेज करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव दिस टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल. आई एम टेलिंग यू. कुछ लोगों को तो मैं देख के ऐसा लगता होगा ना कि यार ये तो ये भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है. देयर इज जस्ट मैनेजिंग इट वेल एंड यू नीड टू लर्न दैट. यू नीड टू स्केड्यूल योर डे. अभी मेरे को ये करना है, सुबह मेरे को ये करना है, सुबह मेरे को ये करना है, सुबह मेरे को ये देना है. मतलब तुम ऐसे रैंडम मत रहो अपने दिन में. अगर तुम्हें बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है तो अपना टाइम तुम्हें इक्वली मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. एंड इसमें भी आई वुड वांट टू टेक दैट फोमो वाला पॉइंट कि कोई जगह तुम्हें नहीं जाना तो सिर्फ फोमो के चक्कर में मत जाओ. यू कैन जस्ट से नो एंड नॉट गो देयर. सो वन थिंग, लर्न टू से नो बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज नो इम्पॉर्टेंट. बैलेंस इज द की. It's okay to watch Netflix, it's okay to waste your time sometimes, but you have to manage your academics too. Initial years में मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, मेरे कोर्स सेम में I think ठीक ठाक क्या था. I was doing everything. और फोर्थ सेम में मेरी सीली भी सही आ गई थी. तो उसके बाद मेरे को लगा वाओ, आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग इट वेल. एंड नेक्स्ट सेम में जाके मेरा टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल काफ़ी ख़राब हो गया था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गिव माई अकेडमिक्स इन बहुत कम टाइम क्योंकि मेरे को लगा था इट्स सो ईजी, हो जाएगा. इफ आई एम नॉट गोना स्टडी भी तो एंड में मैं जाके पढ़ूंगी तो हो जाएगा. बट ऐसे डूबी होना है सेकंड सेम में. उससे मेरे को सीख मिली है ये कि नहीं भाई, अपने नॉर्मल दिन में भी टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना होगा, तुम्हें पढ़ना होगा. जैसे कि अकेडमिक्स ही एक पार्ट है जिसके लिए तुम कॉलेज आए हो और तुम वही नहीं करोगे तो व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट. सो ये मेरे को थोड़े काश मेरे को पहले रियलाइज हो जाता कि या दैट इज़ द मेन पॉइंट. आई एम हेयर फॉर degree, I'm here for good grades. CGPA obviously matters, so you'll have to work hard, you'll have to focus on academics. Don't just forget it. मतलब I get it कि initially कॉलेज में आके ऐसा मेजर लोगों को लगता है यार क्या पढ़ के तो भी आए हैं, but I just want to chill, I just want to have fun. But I mean you can have fun, obviously you should have fun, you deserve to have fun. But उस पे just don't forget the main part where why you are here, which is like academics. So do that wisely, manage it wisely, everything's gonna be fine. So ultimately a GPA definitely matters, CGPA definitely matters, but I think your skills, time management skills and everything you're learning, your priorities, ये सब ज़्यादा matter देते हैं. Will carry along once you graduate, because I feel like बहुत सारे, I think majorly a lot of life skills you develop when you are in college जो तुम्हारे आगे पूरे लाइफ टाइम तक यूज होते हैं. I want you all, whoever is watching this video, to take their college as an experience that they are living. Experience everything that you can, make the most out of it. That is what I want to say, and that is what I always say. Because you are not just preparing for your class, you're preparing yourself for a life. Think by now I know how much I have learned from this college as a person. कितना wiser और कितना कुछ सिखाया है इस college life में. I guess stay curious, stay grounded. You will have fun moments but also messy moments. But messy moments will be as valuable as your wins because ultimately they are teaching you something. Finally, I want to say that you have got this even if you feel like that you do not. So yeah, if you're entering college, all the best and live your life to the fullest. And if you're coming to Triple IT Delhi, drop and tell me in the comment section. Talk thoda sa about Triple IT really specifically. So from my experience, this college is going to give you a lot, and there are so many things that are waiting for you, so many opportunities that are waiting for you. Literally, don't be afraid. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I guess that was it. Bye bye.